Commercial use suspected. Session timeouts. Fishy cancellation policy. TeamViewer was amazing back in the day. Powerful, smooth, and feature-packed. IT freelancers, small MSPs, even the family's go-to tech support person, everyone used it. But now, TeamViewer just isn't a realistic option anymore. If it's been grinding on your gears, I've got 6 free alternatives that actually work, and one of them lets you start a support session with just a link. I'll show you that in less than a minute, so stick around. Here's my checklist whenever I test a remote tool. Can I connect in under 30 seconds with no signups and no complex installs for the person I'm helping? Does it support unattended access so I can get in without someone clicking accept every time? Are the essentials there? Cross-platform coverage, file transfer, full admin control? Does it hold up on bad Wi-Fi without turning into a slideshow? And finally, are the rules clear? No sneaky time caps or surprise upgrade pop-ups. So let's check out some TeamViewer alternatives. Number 1, we have HelpWire, new and capable. Here's a typical situation. You're supporting clients or family regularly and need the fastest, smoothest way in. With HelpWire, the flow is built for real tech support. Open the HelpWire web portal and click Add New Client. A unique, secure connection link is created. Text it to the person you're helping. They click on it. A portable app launches, and you request permission to connect. They accept, and you're in and having full control. The difference is, instead of coaching someone through 12 confusing steps, it literally takes one link to get started. And right now, during their tech preview, it's completely free with unlimited features. Honestly, jump on it while it lasts. For a nitpick, there's no mobile viewer yet. But desktop coverage is solid, and for quick support sessions, the link flow is a game changer. Number 2, we have RustDesk, open source. This is perfect for the IT enthusiast who loves self-hosted solutions and no vendor lock-in. RustDesk is free and open source, and running your own server means your data stays there and not in someone else's. Install the client, point it to your own relay, set a permanent password for unattended access, and you've got complete control. It feels DIY, but for tinkerers, that's a plus. Caveats, extra setup time, but in return, you get privacy and full control. Next up, we've got Chrome's Remote Desktop, Google's lightweight helper. The best use case for this is a quick one-off access to your own PC, or an occasional help session when you don't want to set up another tool. Here's how it works. The person sharing their screen does a one-time tiny install of the host module. You, the helper, just use your browser to enter their one-time code. You can also set up persistent access with a pin on your own PCs. For trade-offs, it's basic. Limited multi-monitor, a simple file panel, but often that's all you need. It's free, quick, and doesn't confuse the person you're helping. Number 4, Microsoft Quick Assist, Windows to Windows. For Windows PCs in corporate locked environments, this is the fastest way in. Open Quick Assist, choose Give Assistance, and you get a security code. The user enters it, chooses View or Full Control, and you're connected. For a trade-off, it's Windows only and there's no built-in file transfer. You'll need cloud storage or copy-paste for files, but if both ends are on Windows, it's right there in the Start menu. Number 5, Zoho Assist, a polished hosted suite. If you prefer a polished vendor-hosted tool with a free plan to start, Zoho Assist is your pick. The free edition covers basic remote support and unattended access. And if you need more, like mass deployment or reporting, you've got a clear upgrade path. It's mature, multi-platform, and integrates nicely with other Zoho products. Just know, the free tier does drop some features, so check the comparison before you commit. Number 6, AnyDesk. Still handy, but heavily limited now. Once a favorite for free personal use, but not anymore. The free tier now cuts sessions off after about 5 minutes and enforces long cooldowns before reconnects. So today, AnyDesk is best kept as a quick peek viewer, then switch to another tool for real work. So, to recap, HelpWire, the easiest flow, free with full features. RustDesk, open source, self-host, go with it if you don't mind a bit of setup. Chrome RD, browser-based, simple and free for essentials. Quick Assist, no frills, built into Windows. Zoho Assist, solid hosted suite with a free plan and clear upgrade path. AnyDesk, free tier now heavily time limited, not your daily driver anymore. What's your current stack and why? Drop it in the comments so others can learn from your setup. If this saved you time, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.